We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, we have to share it. Here's what one of them had to say. Reviews like this motivate us to keep working hard for them and all of our customers, providing the best service possible for now and in the future. We strive hard to achieve this. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love to have a chance to show you why our customers write these reviews for us. We appreciate you stopping by, and we're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.